Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make the background dark while keeping the car unchanged. Let's begin. Select a roto brush tool and double click on your clip. Make sure to rotoscope the car as smooth as possible. Once you are done, click on freeze button, and as the freezing is finished, close rotoscoping window and then bump up feather to around 15. Now duplicate your clip and then rename top 1 to car only. Select bottom clip and delete roto brush effect from it. On a bottom layer, apply an exposure effect. Set the exposure to -5, and it's done. In case the background isn't dark enough, adjust the exposure to your liking. To make the video look better, you can add a lightning effect, for example. First we will need to track the video, so I will disable the exposure effect so we can see the video clearly. Now click on track camera and wait for the analysis to finish. Once it's done, and in case it's failed to analyze the clip, we can fix it by changing shot type to specify angle of view. Then set the horizontal angle of view to 45 and we can now feel free and select tracking points. Now right-click and select Create Solid and Camera. Now we can drag and drop lightning footage. Check this video's description to download it for free. Enable 3D on lightning layer, then to ensure that it's tracked 100% accurately, select Track Solid layer and press P on a keyboard. Copy the position, and apply it to the lightning layer. Now let's scale it and then adjust the position and rotation. Let's check if it's tracked properly. Looks nice, but I will slightly correct the rotation and then toggle off Track Solid layer since we don't need to see it. Now select your main clip and toggle on exposure effect to darken the background. With the lightning it looks a bit better. I will resize and reposition it a bit and then maybe let's apply a glow effect on it. To make things look a lot better, I will add a shake effect from my shakes pack. You can get my shakes pack from the link in the description. I've also made a bunch of shake tutorials, so feel free to check those out on the channel. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.